Hello everyone, and good afternoon to all of you. This is our 17th day of 75 days lead coding challenge, and today we have problem which name is count nodes equal to average of subtree. Lead code 2265 problem. So, before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel, and let's understand the problem statement. So, before understand this, please read the problem and make the intuition in your mind and do the code by yourself. That will be very beneficial for you to all. And if you have read this problem, now let's understand what problem is saying. The problem is saying that we have given a root of a binary tree. We have to return the number of nodes where the value of node is equal to average of the values of its subtree. These two are the nodes, the average of n elements of the sum of n elements. The problem is saying that if we have given this node, so we have to find the average of the old nodes and divide by the number of counts. That is the average. Let's take this node. If we take the sum will be 8 plus 1 plus 0, 9, and the number of nodes are 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3, which is not equals to 8. So we will not increase the count. Let's take the fourth node, this node. So the count will be, the sum will be 8 plus 5, 13 plus 4, 17, 18 and 24. And 24 divided by number of nodes. Number of nodes are 6. So 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. So which is equals to the root value. So we will increase the count. So as same as we will increase the count again and again, we will got the answer 5. So now let's see what will be the annotation for this. So quick time clear. Yes, as you can see, we have drawn this diagram, but we have to traverse this whole tree. This is a binary tree, so we have to traverse this whole tree. So how we can traverse? We will use a DFS, depth first search, to traverse this whole tree, and we will find the sum of each tree, each subtree actually, and by the divided by the number of counts. That will be our answer. If that answer will be equal to the root value, then we will increase our count. Otherwise, we will not increase our count. We will continue again. So if we take this, we will get 9 divided by 3, which is equals to 3 is not equals to 8. Then we will, this is not equal, so we will not increase the count. If this is equal, let's take this node. So the sum will be 5 plus 6, 11. 11 divided by 2, because there are two nodes, so 11 divided by 2 will be 5. We are taking the integer value which is equals to the root node. Then we will increase the count. So we can see we are traversing this whole array, so we will use DFS. So how we will use DFS? So we will create a pair of integer comma integer type. First integer will show the sum of all the nodes, and second integer will show the sum, will show the count, number of nodes, which basically the number of nodes to be like, if we take this, then the sum will be 5 plus 6, 11, and the number of nodes will be 2. So 11 divided by 2 will be 5, like this. So sum is not the average of average sum, because if we take average sum, we will not create the better solution, because if we store average sum, then we can't use that in upper nodes. So that's why we'll take the sum, will not take average sum. So if we take this, the sum will be 0 and the number of nodes will be 1. So this will be 0 comma 1, as same as this will be 1 comma 1, and this will be 6 comma 1. If we take this, the sum will be 8 plus 0 plus 1, 9, and the number of nodes is 3. So 9 comma 3. This will be same. We will take the sum 5 plus 6, 11, and the number of nodes are 2. So 11 comma 2, and this will be 24 comma 6. So can you see the intuition? Can you see the pattern? What is the pattern? See, we are using for some, we are using the previous values 9 plus 11, this will be 20, and we are taking the root sum, so this will be 24. So basically left sum plus right sum plus root sum, this will be our current sum. So this will be 24, and same as left count plus right count, 3 plus 2 will be 5, and the current count, that will be 1. So this will be 6. So 24 comma 6. As if we take this, then 0 plus 1 1, and the current sum will be 8. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 is the sum, and the count will be 1 plus 1 2, and the current count which is 1. So this will be 3. So इस तरह से बेसिकली लेना है अपने को. So if we count the number of, if we count, find the count, then this will be 24 by 6, which is equal to 6. So we will increase the count. Now count equals to 1. 11 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. We'll increase 6 by 1, which is equal to 6. So we will increase in this node. But in this node, 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3, which is not equal to 8. So we will not increase the count. So that our final answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 will be our final answer. So basically, finally, we are creating a pair of sum comma count of nodes, and we are creating the whole subtree again, and we are traversing the tree by using the DFS approach. First, let's write the code so that you will understand better. So firstly, yeah, so firstly we will initialize the count. So let's make a pair of int comma int type, which name is DFS, and in this I am passing root node. So the node star root, and in this I am initializing int answer equals to 0. ये आंसर, ये जो फाइनल हमको रिटर्न करना है, ठीक है. Now what I will do is I'll check if root equals to null. अगर मेरा root ही null है, if my root is null, so the sum will be 0 and the count of nodes will be 0. So return 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0. Actually, if I pass this DFS of root, and we will finally return our answer, return answer. So let's initialize this here so that we can take a full traversal. If root equals to null, then we will return this. This is done. Now we will find the left and right pair. So pair of int comma int left is equal to, I'll do the function call. So DFS of root ka left, and same as pair of int comma int right, which is equal to DFS of root का right. इसमें हमने क्या है, फंक्शन कॉल मार दी लेफ्ट और राइट के लिए. सो अब हम सम फाइंड करेंगे. तो सम फाइंड कैसे करेंगे, हम इंट सम इक्वल टू, एज वी कैन सी हमारा सम किसके इक्वल था, लेफ्ट सम के, प्रीवियस वाले लेफ्ट सम के, राइट सम के, और करंट सम के. Actually you should make this diagram like this. So as you can see, this is equal to, this will not be visible for you, so please draw the diagram by yourself. If the sum will be left sum, then right sum plus basic current sum, root sum. So as we know that we are in pair of int comma int, the first is the sum and second is the number of nodes. So first is sum, so left dot first plus राइट डॉट फर्स्ट, ये दोनों का ले लिया, प्लस रूट का वैल्यू, रूट की वैल्यू, this will be our sum and our count will be int count equals to number of node basically left dot second plus right dot second plus लेफ्ट का काउंट प्लस राइट का काउंट प्लस वन दो करंट काउंट. So this will be our sum and count. If sum divided by count, actually we will find the round value. Round of sum divided by count equals to root की value. So actually what we are doing, ये root की value के इक्वल्स हो जाएगा. So root का value, अगर if this condition will satisfy, then what will I do? I'll increase our answer because it initial our answer is 0. I will increase our answer and in final what I will do? I'll return sum comma count here. So this will be our code. Let's run this code. As you can see, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. It is taking 9 milliseconds and 12.20 MB. So this is our whole code. So basically हमने किया क्या है, हमने basically पेयर ऑफ बनाया है इंटीजर कॉमा इंटीजर टाइप का, और फर्स्ट इंटीजर स्ट्रिंग our sum and second integer showing our count which is nothing but equal to the number of nodes. दिस इज और कंडीशन इफ रूट इक्वल टू अगर रूट ही नहीं है हमारे पास तो सम क्या होगा जीरो, काउंट क्या होगा जीरो. हमने लेफ्ट के लिए कॉल मारा, राइट के लिए कॉल मारा, और सम क्या है, किसके इक्वल होगा, लेफ्ट वाले सम के इक्वल प्लस राइट वाले सम के इक्वल प्लस करंट जो मैं जिस नोड पे हूँ उसके इक्वल. तो वही मैंने किया, और काउंट विच इज बेसिकली इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ नोड्स. सो काउंट किसके इक्वल होगा, लेफ्ट वाले काउंट के इक्वल प्लस राइट वाले काउंट के इक्वल प्लस करंट वाला काउंट विच इज वन, so 1 के equal. And then we will find this condition. If this condition satisfies, sum divided by count equals to root की value, our we will increase our answer and finally we will return. So this is our final code. So let's discuss about time and space complexity. As we know that we are traversing whole array, whole tree, so the time complexity will be big of n, and the space complexity will also be big O of n because we are using the DFS approach, and in DFS approach the auxiliary time complexity will be there. So the space complexity will also be big O of n. So this is our complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you know another approaches for this question, then please do that. Please write the comment, and we will see the another approaches. The why we will see in next video.